Yeah. Whew. Yeah. 3 summers ago, I took out the stupid lead acid batteries on this Ryobi lawnmower and replaced them with LiPo batteries. And every year I get the same question: are they still working? Well, for the 3rd winter in a row, I stored my mower in my unpowered, unheated shed that needs some help. And I just pulled it out for the first time, and we'll see if it's still working. I didn't even charge before I put it in the shed, but I'm pretty confident it's gonna go because my new meter, watch for the video on that, is showing me 76%. This is probably the last year I'm doing this test because I might be replacing these batteries. More about that in just a second. Let's find out if it's working. And, ha-ha! But of course, are the blades working? Let's find out. Yeah! So yeah, after 4 years, these batteries are still going strong. But like I said, I think this may be the last time I do this test on this particular set of batteries, because this company sent me a new battery that they say is designed for the Ryobi lawnmower. It's a single battery that they promise has an easy install and comes with everything you need, including charger and gauge. I'm gonna install that and come back with another video showing you what the process is and how well it works. Make sure you subscribe to see that if you're interested. But until next time, bye.